Today I'm going to show you how to clean the throttle body on this 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. This is pretty much the same procedure for any vehicle that uses the 4.2 liter inline 6-cylinder engine, like the GMC Envoy, Buick Rainier, and Oldsmobile Bravada. This is a common issue on these engines, and it can cause the engine to stall or run rough at idle. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal with an 8mm socket. Now loosen the two hose clamps on both sides of the intake silencer box with an 8mm socket. Now remove the two bolts that hold down the silencer box with a 10mm socket. There's one at the front and one at the back. Now pull the silencer box loose. There's a wiring harness clip that you need to disconnect on the back. Just pull it open and release the harness. Then get rid of the silencer box. Now disconnect the throttle body harness. Slide the white locking tab towards you with a screwdriver or something. Then push the black tab down while pulling. Now disconnect this breather tube. It has this plastic tab that you have to hold down while pulling. To make some room, I like to pull the two coil packs that are in front of the throttle body. Slide the white locking tab up and push the black tab down while pulling. Remove the bolts with a 10mm socket. Then just pull up on the coil packs. The boots should come up with them. Now remove the four throttle body bolts with a 10mm socket. Then pull the throttle body off. Now take a throttle body cleaner and soak the inside. Use a brush with stiff plastic bristles to work loose the gunk. Do not use a brush with metal bristles. You could also use a toothbrush for this. And be gentle while you're holding the throttle plate open. Don't put too much pressure when it's at its stopping point. Once all the gunk is loose, just wipe the throttle body clean with a paper towel or something. It helps to soak the paper towel with some throttle body cleaner. Be meticulous. Make sure you get all the gunk. Make sure you get the outer edge of the throttle plate. And be sure to clean up the gasket mating surface. On the intake side, clean up the gasket with a paper towel and some throttle body cleaner. This is a silicone gasket and it is reusable as long as it still has its lip. If it's flush with the intake, then it needs to be replaced. Now let's go ahead and reinstall the throttle body. Start all four bolts and run them down by hand. Don't tighten any of them until all four are run down. Now just tighten them down in a crisscross pattern. Be very careful not to over tighten these, or you will pull the nut out of the intake. These only need 89 inch-pounds of torque, which is not very tight at all. Just give them about a quarter turn past snug, and they'll be fine. Get the breather tube and the harness reconnected. Just push them on until they click. Be sure to push the white locking tab on the connector in. Now get the coil packs back in. And get the bolts back in. Again, not super tight. You don't want to strip the threads in the valve cover. Quarter turn pass snug is all they need. Now plug the connectors back in and push the white locking tabs down. Now put the silencer box back on. Slide the boot over the throttle body. And make sure the breather tube gets connected to the valve cover. Now reconnect the intake tube. Make sure the wiring harness gets clipped back on. Now reinstall the two bolts and tighten them down. Tighten the hose clamps on both sides of the box. And reconnect the battery. And that's it. You're done. Now just fire up the engine and make sure it's running smoothly.